Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 benchmark delivers good news for its power user. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as we are getting closer to supposed launch of the Samsung next generation of foldables, more details about the Z Flip 4 begins to emerge. The latest one involves the phone chipset and battery capacity, with both surfaced in two new listings. The first is a Geeksbench listing for the Samsung model number SMF721U, which is believed to be Z Flip 4 powered by yet to be announced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chipset. Basically, this new listing reveals that chipset has a code name Taro and features maximum clock speed of 3.19 GHz, which should be for the Cortex X2 CPU performance core. We can also see an additional trio of cores clocked at 2.75 GHz, and they could be Cortex A710 and also 4 power efficiency Cortex A510 units running at 1.8 GHz. The Z Flip 4 also confirms that it has a score of 1277 single core score and a multi-core score of 3642. So basically this means this is going to be a little bit improvement in terms of the previous generation of Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And the benchmark listing also confirmed that it will be equipped with 8GB of RAM and an Android 12 right off the box. And in another leak that has been arriving from 3C database, which reveals total rated battery capacity of the Z Flip 4. According to this leak, the Z Flip 4 will be packing a 3595 mAh of a battery capacity, and the phone will be packing a dual battery cell, in which one side is coming with 2500 mAh, whereas the other one is coming with a 1040 mAh of battery capacity. It remains to be seen what typical battery capacity Reddit comes out to. Regardless of the actual milliampere, a large battery would be much welcome addition to the Z Flip. And as far as the design of the Z Flip 4, it's going to be having similar design just like the Z Flip 3, only there is going to be an improvement in the outer display that is going to be improving this year. There is going to be a new super ultra thin glass technology that is coming for the Z Flip 4, which improve the durability of that particular device. Also, we don't see any camera major upgrade as we have seen in the Z Fold 4 that is expected to be coming for an upgrade, but Z Flip 4 doesn't seem to be upgraded to a new camera sensor. So guys, that all sounds just a tad underwhelming, making the processing power enhancement that much more crucial for a mainstream success of this device, especially if rumors about a low price than that of a Z Flip 3 if it's true, then I definitely think that the Z Flip 4 will be going to be a success. And guys, what do you think about this new processor coming for the Z Flip 4? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.